Hello, everyone. Welcome all to this very second episode of the Sakhi Talk Show, an initiative by the Sakhi Group to promote all its members and women empowerment, all on women entrepreneurs. It's a lovely concept, and we ask all of you to join our show and be part of it. Today, our guest is a very special Sakhi member, a very talented artist indeed, and you all must be very familiar with her artwork. Please welcome Vidisha Chakraborty. Hi, Vidisha. Welcome,
Hi,
Vidisha.
ma'am. A very good morning to you. To you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So, Vidisha, our Sakhi members will like to know about your journey since when you started this painting. Tell us about yourself.
My journey is not very long. It is. I've just started. You can tell that I'm just a beginner. So first, I'm giving my introduction. Okay. So I'm Vidisha Chakraborty. I'm from Kolkata, and I stay with my two kids and my parents. So I'm a self-taught artist. Actually, I haven't learned anywhere from any institute or from any master or anybody. This is
Really?
actually, I don't know how it came, and thanks to this pandemic that it actually helped me to think a lot about the painting and all. So it is only this last couple of weeks ago. It's I think it is on March that I started means thinking about painting. I used to see many paintings somewhere, but not. I was not so serious about it. That one day I can paint so good, or I will try at least. I have never thought of it. But once I started, I just thought that let's not just spend the days like this, idle sitting back, and when all are closed, you don't have anything to do, just sitting back idly at home. So just start and see what happens. So I just throw the colors on the canvas, and it came automatically on my mind.
That's fantastic. By seeing your art, I was thinking you are maybe painting since childhood or something because your
No, no, no.
artwork is really good. What I see is mostly your artwork is inspired by women. Your paintings are mostly
Yeah,
women oriented.
yeah.
So, what's the inspiration for the theme of your painting?
Actually, it's not like inspiration. You know what happens that women figure, the way we have been created, it's so majestic, so graceful, and when you actually means all the feelings of a woman, if she cries also, if she loves, if she love, and whatever the feelings, you can portray it very well on the canvas. And when you portray it, or you came up with various uh, colors, shadings, and everything, it makes so beautiful. Because in masculine figures, what happens, you don't have so much to show. Like in a female figure, you can paint like she's dancing, a dance, any dance. It can be a classical dance, or just a means free bird type of, if you draw something like that, so it looks very nice. It looks very nice. So always female figures, female expressions, this all attracts me very much. And also that you can put ornaments on them. In masculine figures, you cannot put all those things. No? You cannot do all those exceptional, those the paintings which are of the tribals, because the tribals groups, the males, they also wear all those makris and all those things, bangles and all, anklets and all. But otherwise you cannot do all those things. There are not much scope in male figures.
I totally agree with this because women are a lot more expressive. There are a lot
Yeah,
more options in everything, clothing. Even if you when you go to stores,
yeah.
you see the men's section and ladies section. The options, the colors, they are more vibrant. So very well said. I totally agree with that. Vidisha, we would actually like to see some of your favorite paintings. Do you have some with yourself to show us?
Yeah, of course, I will show you. Actually, I love abstract much more than realistic painting because in abstract, there is a mystery. I think there is a mystery. Means you just throw the colors and whatever I have thought in my mind, whatever I've thought that this painting will be like this. I'm thinking of portray that thing in the canvas, but ultimately people don't come to know that what I have done because it is totally abstract. So it's kind of mystery that let them think what they think. So there are many abstract paintings like this one. It's a sailboat. It's a sailboat.
Can
So
you please move little back? Yeah. Okay.
So if I don't
Just
tell you that it's a sailboat, you won't recognize this. That what are these? It looks
can you
like
just lift it
flags and
up
all.
to this level of your face? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So it's a sailboat. I basically draw on canvas pad at as means drawing on the canvas requires many space, so it becomes difficult for me to store them in my room. And this is wood. This is also a sort of
Yeah, lift to
abstract.
face level till here. Yeah. Or maybe you can go a little back. That would be better.
And then comes these are the two autumn trees. These are the two autumn trees,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
they are actually the storm is going behind.
Ah.
Storm is going behind, and the two autumn trees are standing beautifully.
Yeah. Very
Okay.
well thoughtful concepts.
Yeah, and another one I would like to show you. Now comes with my female figures. This is one abstract. These are tribal faces, male and
Yeah.
female.
Beautiful. Okay. Very nice. It looks so professional. I thought you were actually might be
No,
doing
I
some
have never.
business with your art.
This is totally abstract. See, you cannot guess what is happening behind. You cannot guess that. But with these colors, I have tried to show that what is going on in the mind of that girl. So many colors. She can be angry. She can be in anxiety. She can be happy. She can be sad. So many colors are behind it depicts that actually what is happening in her mind.
Beautiful. Beautiful strokes of color. Very well thought.
This is also another abstract one.
Okay.
It looks like a tree. Means see the top on the upper side is the face of a girl, and the lower side actually a male is sleeping like that, is bending like that. But it
Wow.
actually, yeah, a male figure is bending like that. But when you see very carefully, it looks like that the girl is facing sideways, and that is her shoulder. So actually, it depicts that we all need a shoulder. At the end of the day, we all need a shoulder to share our views, to share our thoughts, to share our feelings. So actually, it depicts this thing.
Wow. We can see all your emotions, thoughts, that is from your brush strokes, all those well thoughts.
This is another one, abstract. The girl facing. See, it is
Yes.
the color is coming from front of her, and we can only see her back with the long hair.
Hmm. Very nice.
So these are some of my paintings.
So I think most of our Saki members watching this, they will be really very happy to see your artwork. Very commendable. beautiful strokes of colors, so well thought. It actually shows how a woman's mind has so many thoughts going at the same time. She has her own struggles,
Yeah,
and
actually, Pam, what happens that a person cannot be happy and cheerful all the time. One time or some other time you may feel a bit low, or some depression, clouds of depression may capture your mind. But you
bring
know
your
what happens.
screen bit down. I can see only your face. Perfect.
So what happens that to make ourselves cheerful or to keep ourselves happy, I think everyone, not only it's about the females and all, males also, though males are much more engaged in outer world, they are much more engaged with works and their jobs and everything, but each and every person should have his or her own world where you can at least spend 15 minutes or half an hour or at least 1 hour for yourself. It's not necessary that you will have to do something creative, not that. You can also go for a beauty regime to make yourself feel relaxed and make yourself feel good. So I think that every person should create his or her own world.
I agree. It's true.
And
uh,
regarding this the feelings and all which we have, those depression and everything, I think that there is no therapy, no medicine, according to me, which can make you happier, which can make you feel good. It is all about yourself, how you want to make yourself or how you want to keep yourself.
that me time actually makes a big difference in our lives, how we feel about ourselves. That me time to do things which you like. Bidisha, I'll want to know what are the most memorable responses you have received till date for your artwork.
It is not about artwork. What happened actually in the month of March, I was actually scrolling down the FB, and as usual I was seeing the paintings, and also there was one artist. He just portrayed one face, and that face was I don't know what, there was nothing special in it, no colors or like that, only a charcoal sketch. But I wrote some lines, what I thought about that. It was a male face, and what I thought about that face, that it was a aged face, and that face actually depicted that at one point of our life we are filled with many people around us, happiness, we are going out, we are means happily spending times with our friends and all, but at one time it comes when nothing really matters to you. It means after some time what happens that when you are over with all these things, nothing really matter, you are like a void. It creates a void inside you. So that phase, it attracted me so much, and I wrote over there, I don't know, I just randomly I wrote the lines. And the very next 10-15 minutes, that artist just wrote me in the messenger that are you an artist? So I was like, oops, I'm not. So I said, no, sir, I'm not. Then he said that, but you don't seem like, because what you wrote in this about my artwork. So it just, I thought that you are an artist. How beautifully you have said about that face. Nobody has commented this thing. And literally about my comments, there were so many comments regarding, means they were asking me that, are you an artist? Are you an artist? Do you means you have got any artwork? Please show us and all. So I said that no. So that person, actually that person, that artist, he told me that why don't you start? When you have such a nice feeling, when you can just see a face and you can say so many words, so why don't you start up yourself? And from that day I actually started uh, trying out. Means whatever came in my mind, I just try to put on the canvas. And I don't think that whether it is nice, it is what, I don't know, but I just put on the canvas.
Very nice. I mean, this is how things start in life. You never
Yeah,
know which incident, what moment can change
of
your
course.
life. And even that's what our Sakhi group's aim is. Like we bring people, share their stories, and you never know who gets inspired with this story and
And I
start.
must say that this group is an excellent group. I must say, because I have been member to many groups, but I have never came up so motivational, inspiring, and you people are so much caring and concerned about all of us. As, some day before, I was feeling a bit low, and I posted in FB. And should I mention the name?
It's okay. I mean,
Means
we know.
next day, I got a message, and Ravena actually she told me that, are you okay? Are you all right? Means it is so touching, it is so touching, it is so heartfelt that I just can't imagine, also because I haven't seen her. I never means thought of this thing will come up, that people are so much concerned. It's like as if I know you for a long time, you are my childhood friend. I think that means all this, you are so much concerned about us.
Yes, I mean, that's what our thought is like. We do motivate, inspire everyone, and it's very important to know the mental well being of every members. So it's a platform where you can share all your feelings, thoughts, be it anything. You can post anonymously if you have some questions to ask, seek suggestions. That's
So,
why the name.
and it is also so entertaining. It is also so much entertaining, especially your TikTok. It's very nice. It's very nice. And actually, when I heard, means when I saw you doing all those songs and all, I means seeing you, I used to think that maybe her voice must be very soft. And but when you actually spoke, it feels like you are a principal of some institute, and I am here sitting for the tests and all, and I am desperate to get the admission in your institute.
Yeah, because we are mostly I mean, doing lip syncing to some other voices, so people
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have actual
And your
voice.
face matches to it also, because your face, as if you very sweet voice, it's very sweet voice, very, very soft voice, but it's like, no, she's the principal of the institute.
Okay, thank you. Vidisha, let's do some fun activity. I'll have some tongue twisters
Oh
for
my
you.
God, I'm so bad in it. I know I will just
It's
jumble up
okay. I
everything.
mean, I mean, tongue twisters is the more you do mistakes, the more it sounds funny. So our thought is to have some fun also on the go. So are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So the first one is you have to say it fast. Okay. Red leather, black leather.
Red leather, black leather.
Yeah, I mean not one time. You just try to repeat it fast. Red leather, black leather, red leather, black leather, like
Red
that.
leather, black leather, red leather, bus. Gone. Gone. I told you, I'm very bad. I'm very
It's
bad at
okay.
this.
We all do these things. I mean, that's the main aim, right? To enjoy, have fun. Let's give you another one. Big black back block. Big black
Big black
back.
back block.
Big black
Big black
back
back block.
back. Yeah. Big
Big
black
black.
back.
No,
Big
sorry.
back.
I will give up. I only know one. I only know one, which I
Which one?
have come up with since I was a child. I have listened and now I have memorized. So it was like Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was
Uh,
bitter. So Betty bought butter to make the bitter butter better. This only I know.
oh, that's awesome. It's, this reminds me like instead of trying out everything, it's better you be master of one. So that's very nice. At least there's one tongue twister you know very well.
Yeah.
Uh, I mean, even I find things difficult. What easy was for me was that I think there was a post in Saki few days back, some tongue twisters. The fuzzy wuzzy has a fuzzy. If a woodchuck would.
It was
Oh, what is like
miserable.
woodchuck?
I tried, but I couldn't control. I don't know. It's just impossible for me.
For me, I am okay with other things, but when the moment that Sasha, like
Yeah, yeah.
she dates comes, I'll be all okay. So moving on to the next thing, then do tell us what are your additional hobbies?
My actually, I've got many hobbies. It starts from cooking, gardening, reading books, listening to music, watching movies. So I have many. So that's why I don't get really bored very easily, because
That's
I have so many things
very
to do.
yeah.
But most what I do is cooking and gardening. Like I like to try out new dishes. Not I also like, means I can cook anything, means the traditional Bengali dishes and all everything. But still I love to try out new dishes and new recipes. And also when I go to some restaurant, I don't like those all same foods, and I like to try something very nice. Means something different. I like to try something different.
Very nice, very nice. It's good that you have so many hobbies and you're talented in so many things,
Yeah,
gardening,
and
cooking.
so when I went to Goa, actually I visited Goa thrice, and I love
Wow.
that place. So actually, I love sea. I don't like mountains. I love sea. So whenever I have gone to Goa, I have tried their traditional foods like prawn balchao. It is so nice, but I was so I was so surprised to see when I ordered. It was a the dish was of prawn. Okay, so it was like a jumbo prawn type of a ball of prawn. But what they gave, with it means as a side dish, just a piece of breads. It's like we
Okay.
cut like for the
Yeah.
sandwiches. So I was like, how this two goes, means with this curry type of things, how you eat bread. Means it was something very odd, but still I enjoyed. It was very nice.
Nice, nice. So how do you basically balance between your hobbies and parenthood? You have kids, so how do you balance between your responsibilities and your me time?
Yeah, it sometimes it becomes very difficult, especially when it comes for some decision makings. And I have two sons, my youngest, and both are from DPS Kolkata. And you are also from DPS. I have read about you. Okay, so so my younger son, especially, he's very naughty and means unmanageable. Very, very naughty. He plays on tantrums all the time, everything. But I go on screaming upon him and so running after him. So it's sometimes becomes very difficult. Means when you do some artwork, you need a certain amount of concentration that you can you can concentrate and whatever you have thought, because I am
Yeah.
not copying anything from anywhere, that I am copying from YouTube, or I am copying from any magazine or like that. So I have thought something, suddenly what happened that he comes and rush and just mess it up everything. So
Oh,
this thing happens. So again you have to link it up. Now I have
yeah.
totally forgot that what I have thought. So one painting I need to means if I want to complete one painting, I need 2-3 days to complete it, because I have lost the link. So again, I have to catch up with the missing link. But my bigger son, he is much more decent. Means he is in class 11 now, so he understands me very well. He cooperates with me also, and he is very much excited for today's talk show. Rather than me, he is very much excited about it. And yes, my parents are much more aged, so they are means the whole thing I have to first what happens, that when I started this thing, this painting and all, I was thinking that whether I will be able to do or not. I will be give means I will be able to give that much time towards my painting. But then everything settled down. Now everything, because I am not a very planned person, because I don't plan anything. Means, there are persons those who sleep at night and they plan that tomorrow I have got this thing to do, I will do this thing, I will go over there, I have this works to be done. But I am not at all a planned person. Whatever comes in my front, I try to face it. Every day is a new challenge for me, and I never give up. I don't give up, because I have failed that whatever comes up, whatever obstacles you face, for that time, you may feel a bit irritable, or you think that no, I will give up, I will not do this thing. But these obstacles actually help you to grow, to make you
Yes.
more stronger. And
Yes.
actually it helps you to evaluate that what are your capabilities, how much extent you can go, you can do.
Yes. Agreed.
Okay.
So, Vidisha, we have some rapid fire questions, which are like short questions, options, and you have to be very spontaneously answer those. So, let's start with that. Some five, six questions. Um, I'll throw the first one. So, given a choice, if to take up a career, what would you like to do? A sports person, a Bollywood star, or a politician, and why? So, if any
Actually,
three
no,
you have,
actually, these three I
sports,
don't want to go for, because I am not at all camera familiar. I don't know how to act. I become stiff when it comes off like that. I become stiff. I'm not at all
so
familiar. Politician,
politician.
means I don't understand. It just goes above my head. So I don't
Okay,
understand anything. And sports, leave it. I don't I don't think anything about sports. Rather,
o-
I will, if there may be an option, I will choose a career of a chef.
okay.
It is rather comfortable for me.
Yeah, nice. Uh, so, what would you opt for? Like a sunrise in the mountains or sunset in the beach?
Sunset in the beach,
You're a beach fan.
very much.
Okay. So then, what would you prefer? Reading a book or watching a movie?
I think reading a book will be much suitable for me, because watching a movie, it means so much disturbance. I don't get time to see a full movie in one day. So I'll
Yeah.
have to break it and see, break it and see. So it's better to read a book, because wherever you end, you can start from there. So reading
Yeah,
a book is much better option for me.
relatable. What would you like to receive as gift? iPhone or Samsung phone?
No, Samsung phone is okay.
You're okay with
It
that.
doesn't bother me much about phones and all. Whatever.
Some people are very obsessed with iPhone,
No, no, no. I
although
am not so,
Samsung,
no obsession like that.
very nice, that's really commendable. What's your preferred way of communication? You like to text people, call over the phone, or meet in person?
I think meet in person. Because you
Yes,
know what? When you text a person, you don't know what that person is thinking. When you talk about, means talk over phone, you can't see his expression, that how he is taking your words. But when you meet in person, you actually face that person, and reading his face, whatever you are telling, you can see and you can react.
yes, yes, true. I think, and last rapid fire question would be on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself on keeping secrets? How good are you keeping secrets? 10 is
Very
highest.
bad, very bad, very bad. Because I don't means I don't like to keep any secret in me. My entire life is an open book for my whole family. They know each and everything about me. Means if I keep any secret, my belly will start pain.
True, true. I think I am also on the same boat. Okay, so that was the end to the rapid fire, and your answers were very honest. So I really like that.
Thank you.
One thing I'd like to ask is, what views do you? I mean, what would you like to suggest our Sakhi members for a group for women empowerment? Anything you would like to tell?
You people are doing excellent. There is nothing to suggest. Means you are cooperating, means you are helping out each and everyone with everything. You are making us smile, you are giving us encouragements and all, motivating us, inspiring us. And now that promotional things are also there. So it's a perfect group. There is no suggestion for me. I will just suggest that keep it like this. Please don't change anything. Means make us happy always. And we get inspired when you all post all these things, or we see any interviews or anything like that, any creativity, we get inspired actually a lot. So please keep it like as it is. Don't change it.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. And last thing is, uh, what would you like to tell the members if they want to reach out to you for your artwork, for anything as a friend? So how they can reach out to you? What's the social media platform you're comfortable with?
I'm comfortable with actually with my mail IDs, as because I have locked my FB profile as it gets means hacked many times. So I don't. It's not open for me. Means I don't keep it open for everyone. Only my friends can see me, or my friends can reach out to me. But yes, if anybody wants to reach out about my work, artworks and all, they can obviously mail me in my mail ID. Which I will later convey to you, and you can convey to everyone.
Yes, sure, sure. So I think that's great, Vidisha. That's a wrap from our end. And I would like to thank you for your valuable time. And
It's an honor
you,
for me actually, and thank you to every member of the Sakhi group. They are so much doing doing means so excellent in doing everything, and inspiring me, motivating me. So thank you so much for inviting me in this as a guest.
totally our pleasure. So at the end, what I would like to say is to all our members, do keep following us, do invite your friends to our Sakhi group. The motive of our group, like I keep saying, is women empowerment. We like to support women in their through their emotional journey, boost their confidence. The idea is that every woman should support other. We all grow together. We
Yeah,
all
yeah,
achieve success.
absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely.
So, and Sakhi Talk Show is also a platform where you can talk about your journey, share your inspiring stories,
It's an
or
excellent platform, excellent platform.
you have a business to promote. So you can use it for any purpose. Do reach out
Yes,
to our admin team for anything. And thank you for all the love and support. Do keep inviting people. And
yeah.
we'll see you in the next episode with another lovely member.
Bye bye.
Bye.